So arguably the most talked about news item today, the 31st of August 2017 in Jamaica, is the discovery of the body of popular fashion designer and stylist Dexter Pottinger, and some of the headlines that accompanied the story includes the following: Dexter Pottinger found dead. Dexter Pottinger stabbed to death. Popular fashion designer Dexter Pottinger found dead. Designer Dexter Pottinger found dead at St. Andrew home. Dexter Pottinger found dead at home. Designer Dexter Pottinger found murdered at St. Andrew home. And musicians pay tribute to beautiful spirit Dexter Pottinger. The story next. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces. Leave a comment. Please share the life out of this video. Feel free to subscribe for more content. Remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Fashion designer Dexter Pottinger is dead. Pottinger's body was found at his house at Yarico Place off Washington Boulevard, St. Andrew on Thursday. Reports are that the body was found in a state of decomposition, suggesting that he had died a day or two ago. Police sources said the body was found with what appeared to be several stab wounds. Detectives are yet to establish a motive for the attack. One woman who was at the scene said she went to see the body and observed bloodstains inside the home. As news of the death of the 3D Designs owner spread, several people gathered at his home or near his home in Yarico Place, and some grieved openly. So a couple of things that some persons might not know about this Dexter Pottinger. One, he is originally from the Walton Park area of Kingston. Two, he was face of Pride 2016 as the Jamaican Forum of Lesbian, Allsexuals and Gays J-Flag celebrated Pride Week. He is a former Saint International model who crossed over as a stylist and video director and a fashionista. He often goes by the mantra, "What may be crazy to you might be inspiration to someone else." 5. He believes it is his duty as a human being to bring everyone together to play their part in improving the lives of the marginalized. And Pottinger started out in the fashion industry as a model with Saints International and was signed to an agency in London before transitioning to a respected stylist and designer. So after the news broke about the death of Pottinger, members of the entertainment fraternity paid their respects to the fashion designer who was found dead at his St. Andrew home. Dancehall artist Cecile, who was a close friend of Pottinger, was saddened by the news. Right now, I am in Montego Bay, but I am in close contact with his friends. This is so sad. Dexter was just somebody that was there for everyone. He was always there for all his friends. He was bubbly, a warm personality. If you had a bad day, he would come and say how beautiful you are. I would always joke that if a lot of men knew how to treat women the way he did, they would get away with anything. So it just hit me that he is truly gone. He was a wonderful person, she said. He wondered aloud if the incident had stemmed from a robbery or home invasion. He never deserved this. If it was something they wanted, he would have given them. They never had to do that to the youth. She managed to sob through a rain of sad, frustrated tears. Maka Diamond was also saddened by the fashion designer's untimely passing. I was talking to him a few days ago about doing a photo shoot for me. I just got into the island today, and to hear this, it is shocking. I had been wondering what was up with him. He had not been online for 2 days, and to get this news, why Jamaican so violent, she said. What is going on in this country? Dexter was a good person. He didn't deserve to die this way. Dexter was a bright personality. He is always willing to take chances for his art and fashion. He had a passion few could match. He will be sadly missed. I can't believe this. He did the makeup for my first Green Sleeves album. Boy, he was a special soul, added Maka. Reggae singer Etana was also shocked by the death of the man she called a beautiful spirit. I saw him in Miami a few months ago, just before my tour. I had wanted him to do my man video but he was upset that he was unable to do it because I had been on tour and I couldn't wait for him to shoot it. The singer said he was a wonderful person, beautiful spirit, very creative, very talented. He always would light up about every project that he had. The industry has lost someone special, she continued. When I heard the news, I had to pull off the road, take an aspirin. My chest feels tight. I am not doing too good right now. It is shocking. I would have never expected this. People die, people transform, they have to move on to a next life, but you are never ready for it, Itana said. It is interesting that only female entertainers have said something in relation. So peeps, I'd be lying to you if I told that I jumped at the opportunity to review this story. I mean, when the news broke earlier, I read it and I said, okay, fine. But then again, I thought that some of my subscribers and viewers would have interest in the story. You understand me? I say, it is one of those things many persons are speculating and theorizing, and persons are saying that robbery might not have been the motive, even though it is reported that things are missing and probably somebody who him know, and there's a particular lifestyle that is involving and it might be related to that and them something. You understand me? I say? But at this point in time, this is not a moment for judging anybody or analyzing anybody's lifestyle. The fact is that another Jamaican has been murdered, another Jamaican life has been taken, and based on the situation that faces the country at this point in time, we cannot accept that. You understand? Irrespective of whatever lifestyle the dude probably was living, the fact is he's a Jamaican and his life has been taken, and as I said, we cannot accept that. We cannot sit idly by and just allow these things to happen. You understand me? So I just want them things. Hopefully the perpetrator of the crime will be brought to justice in very short order. My God. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.